Hi, Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. In today's RV renovation video, we move into the dinette and kitchen areas of our camper. We have since completed our RV bathroom renovation, and Michelle will be doing a before and after video of that soon. But I wanted to get you up to speed with how we are progressing with this RV reno. This is episode number 4 of our RV renovation. It'd make more sense to remove the valance, but I really want to keep it on there because the blind's attached to it, and I want the blinds down so that we're more stealth during the remodel. I'm going to have tools in here, and I just don't want people coming in stealing stuff. It's probably screwed on, but if I use the Sawzall, I'm afraid I'm going to mark up the wall. Oh, that's all that is. So I can pull the screws out on the 1x1 structure, and then this should come off much easier. Yay! So if you ever have to remove one of these, you might want to just remove the bottom, because then it's hollow, and then you can get at the screws to unscrew it, and it should come off very easy. So that's a surprise. There's mouse poop there. We had a mouse in here about 3 years ago. Got him out. We'll have to set something in here to catch one if there is one in here again. But I suspect it's been in there a while. One day later, there's no mouse. That's good news. Here we are, day 3, still no mice. If you look at the front of these cabinets, there's a stain and a varnish. And I already did the door on the vanity in the bathroom, and it comes off super quick and easy. But if you flip these, there's stain on these but no varnish. So I don't think I really have to do much to this, maybe lightly scuff it up, and that'll be just fine. So these are really going to be super easy to sand.
And now it's time for the beginning of something new.
So you can see how good this is done. Just kind of scraping in there. You don't want to distress and change your lines, but you do need to do something like this in each groove. Now you can see the other side. I started up here, but I haven't done this yet.
Awesome, we're on day 4 and there's no mice.
Also, in the last video, I think you heard me say it could get a little cozy around here. That is true.
Don't ask me how or why. I'm so certain I love you.
Due to COVID, we suspended our RV share rental listing for all of 2020. This is some of the before pictures from our RV share rental listing. So this will sort of give you a vibe of what it looked like here when we first purchased the RV, and it still is in great condition. We purchased this 3 years ago, by the way. So as you can see, it's in good condition, but just a little dark and dated. And we wanted to kind of modernize it and brighten it up and just make it feel like a home away from home in here.
Here we go. Ready, set, go!
We are really excited about our RV renovation. We want you to come along beside us as we renovate our camper.
Go, go, go! Turn up the heat!
So be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified each time we upload a video.
Hey, you're at 51!
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.